Nestled in the vibrant heart of London, where the city's pulse beats with academic vigor and cultural richness, lies the illustrious Stratford One London student accommodation. Offering a diverse array of room types, from the premium range to ensuite to the classic ensuite, there's something for everyone at this stellar abode. Every detail of these living spaces is crafted to foster comfort and productivity, with essential appliances like fridge freezers and microwaves for effortless meal preparation, alongside thoughtful features like underbed storage and curtains for privacy and organization. But that's not all. From the inviting breakfast bar to the outdoor social space designed for socializing, every corner is infused with a sense of community. Need a break from studies? Lose yourself in the cinematic splendor of the on-site cinema room, or soak up the sun in the outdoor social space. And with Wi-Fi blanketing the entire property, staying connected has never been easier. Location is key, and Stratford One boasts proximity to esteemed institutions like Birkbeck and the University of East London, ensuring that academic pursuits are never far from reach. But it's not just about hitting the books. Stratford One immerses students in a vibrant local scene. Whether indulging in exotic flavors at Figo Stratford or seeking solace in the serene expanses of Queen Elizabeth Olympic Park, there's something for every taste and inclination. With everything you need right at your doorstep, book your new home at amberstudent.com today.